Okay, as far as I saw on the internet, it's only 7 days old. It doesn't even have a created picture for the app yet. Let me just open it up. You only get two chores, two missions for the day. As you can see there, I'm on 224 already because I've been on for like 3 or 4 days now. So what you do is you go into mission over here, click on mission, list of missions, which you'll get all this list here. So those are like all celebrities around the world that are shooting their celebrityism out. Then you're going to select one of them. You're going to click on receive. Right? And then because I've done my 2 missions already, they're not going to give me. So you go to the highest one for the day. Right? Like that would be these 13,000 somethings. You go on the 13,732, you click on receive, and then it's going to open up this Insta picture here. You're going to go on straight into the celebrities' Instagram. You're going to watch it for like 15 to 20 seconds. You're going to do a screenshot and like it. And then you're going to attach it to here. You'll get a picture here to say screenshot attach and send. And finished, and you get paid. Okay, let me go into here, and the review for the day, nothing. So I've my chores for the day have gone through. So I'm gonna go to complete it. See there, these are the 2 that I did today. There's another 2 that I did, and the other records they've already taken off because it's gone through. I've got nothing under failed as yet. Okay, so which means all of my things, all my chores have gone through.